पागल है क्या तू? इसमें चूज करके कौन सा चाहिए देखो.
Good morning. If you guys attended my last live, फिर आपको पता है कि आज I am doing sort of meetup. Basically, for the people who didn't watch it, I'll tell you. I would say like a friend of mine told me that they're opening a store, like a grocery store, like a 24/7. Okay, so I was like, oh my god, great! And they said that we want to invite you so that I can put stories for them. And I was like, yeah, sure. And then they said that, wait 1 second. Saw that you were trying to do a meetup. Why don't you just do it tomorrow? I was like, bro, that is like damn short notice, and I don't know if anybody will show up. So they said it's fine, you can still put it on your story. I said, okay. So I put a story, and now I really don't know if people would show up or not because, well, it's very fucking last minute. But anyway, I am going there for my friend and to promote the event, so I thought I would take you with me. I want to give you like a life update. I have actually been sick. I mean, I don't want to say too much, but I would just say that I am sick and I'm waiting for the results to see what's fucking wrong with me. And that's really taken a toll on my body. I don't know कि ऐसा क्या हुआ है अचानक से that I'm feeling this way, but because it's Sunday hai and like all the places where I could get my checkup, they're shut and they said that I should come tomorrow, so I'll go tomorrow. But अभी तो very honestly इस event में जाने की भी हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी because I just wanted to sleep. I have taken like 3 painkillers since yesterday and the pain has like hardly gone down. Like अब जाके I'm feeling a little better, but I think that's also because I was sleeping, so I didn't move at all. तो मुझे कहीं भी कोई भी दर्द नहीं था. But it's just fucking annoying, bro. I honestly sometimes I feel like that I just can't catch a fucking break. कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है. That's so annoying. Like yesterday I was like talking to somebody about something. They get something related to me and Pratham, and then they just said that the conversation shouldn't necessarily involve Pratham. What conversation? Like I brought this conversation up, so I don't know what conversation you are talking about, and then they suddenly made it about themselves, so I was just like left in shock. I hope my mood changes when I go there because I'm just like really not into it. प्लस मैं जो भी दवाइयाँ ले रही हूँ उनके वजह से मेरे मुंह का टेस्ट इतना ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रखा है. पानी पी तो मुझे पानी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे एक गटर से लेके आए हैं. मुझे पिछले 1 महीने में इतने मैसेजेस आ चुके हैं saying that I look like a neat, the one in Sayara. I really don't see it. But then yesterday I also got a message saying that, oh, you should recreate like one of her looks. And I was like, sure. So I think I'll do that soon. Khula hua hai. This is also like almost done. It's actually expired, I think. It smells kind of funky. Okay, I'm done. इससे ज़्यादा effort तो मैं अपनी खुद की शादी पे भी ना डालूँ. Shall I show you what I'm wearing? It's very casual. Let me see. This is like probably the worst way to show it. I'll show you later. We should leave now. I just want to show this picture that has me, Nishtha and Sharma, and it looks like we're rolling a joint, which we're not, but I just want to put it here. Yeah. Very good. My digital footprint will always have me rolling something. Wow, I think I put too much on the video. Come, I want to show around the store. Okay, what should I pick? Okay, I want to first show the most exciting part, which is that they have Labubus. Oh, is it original? Can I pick one? I'll see if I can get somebody to buy me a Labubu because I want this Coke one. Oh my god, there's a small one also. I'm going to get someone to buy me this. Where are my friends? They've left me alone. Okay, I'll show you around the store. Hey, what is this? Yeah. In case you want any gift last minute. I don't care how many flavors they launch. This one is still going to be my favorite. Should I get one? Let's see. I'm going to get everything for free because I will act like an influencer that just wants everything for free. Yeah. If you know, you know. Hi, Hi. I can't believe. Come. You came from Greater Noida.
Yeah.
What?
That's insane.
भाई मेरे को लगा था कि
insane.
I really thought that no one would come. I really thought no one would come, bro, because this how short notice it was. I just thought that मैं बोल देती हूँ कि
हम इतने नर्वस हो रहे थे, हम सोच रहे थे कि क्या पता वो होंगी अभी कि नहीं होंगी। हम लोग लेट हो रहा था, हम लोग सोचे कि टाइम निकलता जा रहा है जल्दी।
कितनी देर लगी भाई यहाँ आने के लिए?
2-3 घंटे की अप्रॉक्स लग गए।
भाई what do you want from here? Tell me. It's on me. Choose anything, I'll get you.
और हम इतना
Relax. It's just me.
कुछ ले नहीं पाए आपके लिए कि
Why, please no. You want anything from here? Choose. It's on me. Just choose whatever you want. भैया पानी देना.
आपका इतना सारा मतलब इतना स्टोरी टाइम देखते हो ना सब कुछ, तो आपका ना हैबिट मेरे अंदर आर यू क्रैक और व्हाट। मैं सबको यही बोलती रहती आर यू क्रैक और व्हाट।
Just take it my treat. Come, what do you want to eat? Tell me. क्या खाओगे? Come, choose whatever sweet you want. कहीं से भी. Choose. अरे भाई. You like to? Yeah, मुझे पता नहीं है कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगेगा.
तुम लोग आ गए, but I was going to pick out the whole store and put it on.
Yeah, I wouldn't have given it to you. Come.
क्या आते हैं? मैं नहीं आई हूँ तो मुझे डायरेक्शंस भी नहीं पता। मिलने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड थी, बहुत ज्यादा ही।
इतना भाव तो मुझे किसी ने
15 मिनट भी रहती हूँ मैं।
How old are you?
मैंने बोला कि 20।
You're 20? तो मुझे दीदी क्यों बोल रहे हो? मैं इतनी बुढ़ी हूँ क्या? स्कैनर दिखा देना. ऐसे ही सोच लिया था कि अब मैं जा रही हूँ, उन्होंने बोल दिया तो मैं डाल देती हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता कि कोई भी आएगा या नहीं. अब मैं बाहर गई थी, मुझे लग रहा था कि शायद 1-2 लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं, कहीं वो वही तो नहीं है. और मैंने कहा आई डोंट थिंक सो.
और हम सोच रहे थे कि हम एक फ्लावर तक ले लेते, पर बारिश के कारण कुछ लगा ही नहीं।
भाई मेरे को लोगों के मैसेज ये आते कि इतनी बारिश हो रही है, हम नहीं आ पाएंगे. इट्स फाइन. तुम व्हाट्स योर नेम?
कोमल।
Send me a message on Instagram after this. Tag me in the story.
हर ये कम्युनिटी में हर पोस्ट के नीचे कमेंट
Thank you.
आता है आपका कुछ भी।
Yeah, and also have a camera. पहली बार मेरी vlog में अच्छी क्वालिटी होगी, माइक भी. So Pairi said that I shouldn't get a labu because they're haunted.
इसके वैसे भी भूत प्रेत चिपट जाते हैं, इसको नहीं लेना चाहिए.
चुप रहे. First, we are going to unbox it. I'll choose two, and I want this big one.
It literally says monster भाई.
तो वो तो ड्रिंक भी होती है.
वो भी नहीं पीनी चाहिए. 666 लॉजिक.
चुप रहे तू. And I want to unbox these. It's just fun unboxing. Wait, उधर चल. First I want to unbox the Coca-Cola one because well,
Coke obsessed.
yeah, it has two options. One is this happy factor, and another one's surprise shake. Surprise shake. This is the only reason why I like doing my job because I get to touch everything for free.
Touch everything for free.
Oh, this is cute, Paridi.
This is cute. This you can take.
Look, this is actually cute, right?
अच्छा, this is just like a वो ना. That is
Yeah,
the
that's the labu, but this is the
Duffer यार, कुछ नहीं पता.
oh, it has the.
Oh, keychain.
This I can put on my bag, na?
Yeah, this you can.
Yeah. I don't think this is haunted.
I hope not.
Now, what do you want? Which one do you want?
Chris.
पागल है क्या तू? इसमें से चूज करके कौन सा चाहिए तेरे को? बकवास चीजें चूज करके.
Hope son.
Hope. ठीक है. I want loyalty. ठीक है. Now let's choose. What do you think it is?
अरे, it ain't any of what we chose. It's love. Or is it secret? It's secret, I think.
The thing. भाई क्यूट तो है बड़ी. तुझे नहीं
ये
पसंद?
भूतिया लग रहा है. तो ये क्यूट किसी को कैसे लग
अरे उनके
सकता है?
मुंह पे घुसा देगी.
कैसे?
ये सारी एनर्जी पड़ी को देने.
Hang on.
But I like the Coke one.
Coke one cute. That's cute.
That's cute, bro. That's
cute.
cute. Come on. So I am dropping her and her sister to the metro station. So मैं पूछ रही थी कि what is this one thing that I should change about my vlogs?
Do more yapping. We like it more.
मैंने लिटरली अभी आप देखोगे इस व्लॉग में कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला है कि मेरी मुझे इतनी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि आप लोग बोर हो जाओगे कि मैं और कुछ दिखा नहीं रही हूँ आगे का. So you saying that?
We love that.
Okay. बात नहीं, मैं थोड़ा बेटर मीटअप करूंगी जहाँ पे मैं एक्चुअली लोगों को बताऊँ. भाई किसी को आइडिया भी नहीं होगा. अभी तो मुझे पता है जब मैं यूट्यूब पे डालूंगी तो उनको लगेगा कि व्हाट क्या बात हुई इस बारे में. और मेरे से काफी लोग गुस्सा भी होंगे.
भाई मैं इनकी गाड़ी में बैठी हूँ.
इतना भाव तो मेरे को मेरे माँ बाप ने नहीं दिया कभी भाई.
So good to meet her in real life. Like
मैं सोच रही थी पर उसको कुछ सेंटिमेंटल देते हैं भाई. I want to give a काम डिलीवर कर दे. Oh my god, hey, I'm back. Actually, I came back like a few hours ago, but as I told you in the start of the video, I am not in the best shape health-wise. So I got so exhausted कि मैं उठ भी नहीं पाई. But anyway, to recap it, taking some cotton pads so that I can take my makeup off. मैंने अपने भाई को होता cotton pad दिया, वो cotton ही लेके आ गया. बेवकूफ़ एक नंबर का. You remember like I don't even know कि मैंने सुबह आपको बताया था कि नहीं कि like I asked you guys to come. I think I did. मेरा दिमाग भी काम नहीं कर रहा है. I'm so decked on like painkillers. So some people did show up and I really didn't expect it. एक तो बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही थी, ठीक है, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि कोई भी नहीं आएगा. और प्लस honestly like if I'm being like 100% honest with you, मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी सुबह like उठ के कि मैं खुद जा पाऊँ. But of course I made a commitment and whatever, so I had to go. And then like I'm glad I did, because not only did it change my mood, but it also like shifted my focus from what's wrong in my body. I can't believe that people traveled from so far just to see just to see my face. I don't know, like I feel like I hear a lot of people say this, okay, that oh I'm so grateful, thank you and all that, but I actually am. Like I would be like social media wise, I'd be nothing, like literally nothing without you. I kind of want to share something with you guys, okay? So now that I would say that I'm still doing better like work wise than I was like maybe right after I graduated. Feel like I can't share a lot of good things happening in my life with others. And I'll tell you what, earlier starting में people used to be happy. Okay? Like अगर मैं उनको बताऊँ कि oh I got to work with this brand for example, okay, it's so interesting and like yeah, so happy. And they're like wow, that's like great, I'm so happy for you. But now when I like try to share anything good, right, like and the problem with me is that इतने धोखा खाने के बाद भी मुझे ये बात समझ नहीं आती है that I should just keep my bloody mouth shut. But मैं इतनी बेवकूफ़ हूँ कि मुझे लगता है कि just because I would be happy for someone if they you know do well work wise, they would be happy for me too. But I can like see people reek of jealousy, because I literally hear them say it to my face that, but you're not even doing that much. But okay, you got it, that's great, but I don't think it's stable. I didn't ask you if what I'm doing is stable or not. For some fucking reason, people think that I want their advice. Not only me, I think ये बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है. मुझे नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारी unsolicited advice. मैंने नहीं मांगा तुमसे. I just want to share a bit of my life. And now as I'm like growing, I feel like I should not do it. I literally should not. Like my mom tells me that you should never share anything that's going on in your life with others if you think that they're not content with their own life. When I wasn't like content with my life, I had no problem being happy for others. So I kind of expect the same from them. But I don't think I can anymore. और मैं भाई ये भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे पास सारी good news ही होती है. I have a lot of fucked up news too. And then as I said in the morning, sometimes people just make it about themselves. And I don't know, like I just feel like because now I'm also doing social media, people are like, I don't think she has like a real work-life problem. Which is so fucking not true. But I just don't think that I have the energy or even like bandwidth to deal with these people or even tell them oh no this is wrong with my thing, because I don't fucking like manifesting shit like that. I don't like saying that there's anything wrong with me. And anyway, so if whatever, the point of this thing was that I don't think I can share any of the good things that happen in my life with anybody anymore, like literally anybody except my parents and my boyfriend obviously, because duh. But उनके अलावा मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी मेरे लिए 100% खुश होगा. मुझे लगता है कि धीरे धीरे करते करते I can see people like not turning on me but like just not being happy for me. I don't know if it's because they're jealous or they envy me or I don't know what it is, and it just sucks because I fucking love sharing shit and I love sharing shit with you guys also. Whatever, it was sad that it's been a few days and I'm seeing people do it and I'm just like recently someone told me that you're not even all that. Like imagine saying that to me. Like I literally tell people to be confident and they're like no, be like honestly you're not even all that. Like I don't know why you're like getting this. Like nobody asked. Okay, like nobody fucking asked. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे उन लोगों से अपना थोड़ा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर लेना चाहिए, because even if I become all that, I don't think they would be happy for me. And I want you guys to say one nice thing about yourself. Imagine that my comment section is like a magic box कि आप यहाँ पे जो भी अपनी wish डालोगे that just becomes true. So like affirm something nice for you. I am so grateful that I have so many nice people watching me who actually would take 30 minutes out of their life to watch my YouTube and especially come to see me for these impromptu meetups. And I'm also very grateful for my parents, for my boyfriend, for my dog, and the people that genuinely love me. So I'm very grateful for that. And I'm actually very grateful to God also. I'm telling, I like really believe in God, okay? Like I genuinely think that if somebody fucks with me, they would suffer. Genuinely, जैसे कभी ऐसा होता था ना पहले कि someone did me wrong, and if I don't get a chance to take a revenge, which is hardly the case, knowing me, you know that. But let's say if I don't get a chance to take my revenge, I would just be like, okay, God will take care of it, bitch. Like I just believe in God so much, and I think you should too, because once you start believing in God and the good out there, you will start receiving the good. I don't know how long this vlog was, but I just wanted to like hang out with you guys today, and I hope you liked hanging out with me. I started this vlog in this washroom and I'm also ending it here. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one. I love you so fucking much. You have no fucking idea. I wish I could just like kiss you. I'm only talking to girls right now. Bye. I love you so much. Take care. And I'll see you in my next video.
In the midnight glow where the stars align.